Mwaka thutha wa mwaka sekta ya githomo ikoretwo kiamukira kigina kiria kinene muno kia mahuthiro ma bururi na kuhitukia gicunje kia 20% kiria kiendekithitio ni ruhonge rwa UNESCO. Mwaka uyu sekta ino igithukirwo gicunje kia 28%. Mendekithia ma budget ya mwaka wa kigina wa 2025-2026 ni ciringi trilioni 4.2 na ona gutuika ino ni nyongerera ya gicunje kia 11% kuma mwaka muhituku. Sekta nyingi ari hamwe na githomo ni nyihirio mbeca cia mahuthiro.
Kenyans were looking forward to seeing a budget that would be more promising in terms of supporting their students, their children in school, and even recruitment of teachers.
We set aside around 56 billion every year. That money cannot be seen. Once it lands in the Ministry of Education, it finds other holes where it disappears into.
Hare shiringi trilioni 4.2 sekta ya githomo ithukiirwo shiringi bilioni 701.9, shiringi bilioni 387.7 igithie kuri kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TAC shiringi bilioni 22 nacio ikigairwo githomo kia muthingi gitari marihi. Riri githomo gitari marihi thukuru-ini cia secondary kigairwo muigana wa shiringi bilioni 89.5 na shiringi bilioni 81.9 kuri githomo kia university.
The transmission of 22 billion allocation is not the 30% that was expected.
The government is privatizing education. We are talking about education for the poor, those people who cannot afford private schools. So when you delay capitation for the learners, you are delaying their future.
Kigina giki ona kuhanora uguo gitingigomania mahuthiro ma arutwo ta uria kwendekithitio. Ica ikuhi Ministry ya githomo ikihithuria ati thirikari iri na thiri wa makiria ma shiringi bilioni 60 kuri mathukuru. Kunyihio gwa kigina gya tafarira ingi rungu rwa Ministry ya githomo ari hamwe na tafarira ya irio mathukuru-ini oro undu umwe na waki wa irathi na miako ingi ya mathukuru kwaya gucungiriria gucoka na thutha gwa gikiro kia mathomo na makiria thukuru-ini iria ciri icagi-ini, undu uria ataramu a maundu makonie githomo maugite no ucungiririe arutwo aingi gutiganiria mathomo.
UNESCO statistics have pointed out that we are having more than 3.5 million children out of school. I attribute part of the contributory factors to the budget, this poor budgeting process.
Hari kigina kia muigana wa shiringi bilioni 387.7 iria ithukiirwo kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TAC. Mbeca iria cigitwo keheri ni undu wa kwandika wira arutani ni shiringi bilioni 2.8 kwandika wira arutani a thukuru cia muthingi, shiringi bilioni 172.6 kuri arutani a thukuru cia secondary, shiringi bilioni 2 arutani a thukuru cia ngathi cia iguru na shiringi bilioni 1.3 mbeca cia guthomithia weru arutani.
Government says 76,000 they've recruited, and they say they want to recruit 20,000 more. But the 20,000 more they want to recruit, you're not seeing that they have given TSC the money to recruit those teachers. So the political rhetoric and the budgetary allocations are at variance. And that tells you that probably the public is not being given fair deal. I think if the government knows they are not going to meet that kind of target, then they should just be open.
Anyititemi sekta-ini ya githomo ona kuhanora uguo maugite kigina makiria no kirabatarania niguo gukinyaniria namba ya arutani aria marendeka guthomithia thukuru-ini cia muthingi, JSS na senior school.
This budget is what is going to usher in that senior school. But if we are not seeing that induction of teachers, the continuous teacher development, that component we are not seeing there, it means then we'll just be having the teachers who are delivering the 844 curriculum, receiving senior school, that is grade 10, and then they'll continue with business as usual.
Thengia ya maya mothe kiuria ni kana kuri na wiganania wa gikiro kia mathomo kuri arutwo othe bururi-ini na kana ni undu ungikinyanirio angikorwo kigina kiria kigairwo sekta ya githomo gitikuongererwo.
Unless the government is telling us that all these children will be transferred to the nearby schools which have the facilities to train. But some schools will be way ahead of the others and some will be far, far behind.
Handu-ini ha KAMITII, gitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.